Okay, Sur Ron clicking noise, suspect number one for chain drives, is these little races in here. When you get Chinese chain, those races break, and if those races break, it'll cause a clicking. Sur Ron clicking noise, possibility number two. If your chains are out of alignment and they're riding over on the sprocket one way or the other a lot, a good sign of that is when you stop your bike, a lot of times it'll be one side or the other. If it's centered at all, or you see a gap on both sides, you know you're running pretty true. But if it's running to one side and it's real bad, like your whole tire is tilted one way or another, it will cause a lot of clicking. Sur Ron clicking noise number three possibility. Sur Ron comes with a really, really bad set of bearings in that jack shaft, which is their ball bearings. This application requires a roller bearing. I have actually roller bearings now. It's a modified jack shaft. It has roller bearings on the inside, and it has also thrust bearings on both sides, because when this thing adds power, the whole jack shaft wants to push that way. And in one of our previous videos, you'll see wear on the bushing that I put over on that side. It was a brass bushing, a nice soft metal, and it showed the wear patterns of this thing. And so now that's a clicking noise, is those ball bearings messing up on you.